Welcome back, students. In this video, we're looking at equations that contain radicals. In order to solve them, we'll use the fact that you can do anything you want to one side of an equation, so long as you balance it by doing the same thing on the other. Let's try number 1, where my first step will be to take both sides of the equation and square it. I can do anything I want to one side, so long as I do the same thing to the other. If I square one side, I must square both sides. But look how nice the left-hand side is, where a square and a square root simply undo each other. On the right-hand side, 3 squared is 9. Now that's an easy equation to solve. If I divide by 3, I get the final answer of x equals 3. Let's plug that in and make sure that it works. If I plug 3 into the original equation here, 3 times 3 is 9, and the square root of 9 is 3. Perfect. Let's try number 2, and we'll use the same technique. I can do anything to one side of the equation, so long as I do the same thing to the other. What will I do? Well, I'll square both sides. Again, watch how nice this is. On the left-hand side, a square and a square root simply undo each other, while 5 squared is 25. Now get x by itself. And the final answer is 24. Let's plug that in and make sure that it works. When I plug in 24, 24 plus 1 is 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. Lovely. Now this problem has an extra step. We want to get rid of the square root. We know how to do that, but we can't do that step until the square root is by itself on one side of the equal sign. I need to get rid of that 4 first. Let's get rid of subtraction of 4 by using addition of 4. Negative 4 and positive 4 is 0, leaving only the square root of 3x plus 3 on this side of the equal sign. 8 plus 4, that's 12. Now we'll use our new step of squaring both sides. Since the square root is alone on this side of the equal sign, we'll square this side and we'll match it by squaring the right-hand side. On the left-hand side, the square and the square root, they undo each other. On the right-hand side, 12 squared is 144. Now solve for x. Positive 3 and negative 3 is 0, plus 3x. 144 minus 3 is 141. And 141 divided by 3 is 47. Let's plug in 47 and make sure that it works. 47 plugged in here. Well, 3 times 47 is 141. 141 plus 3 is 144. The square root of 144 is 12, and 12 minus 4 is 8. Got it. All right, your turn. Go work some homework problems, and then meet me back here.